So what is the least positive integer that has only ones and zeros as digits and is a multiple of 75? Yeah. All right, so my gut reaction here is to let's take 75 down to prime factorization. So we know we have 3 times 5 squared. So I know that anything that we have is going to have a factor of 3 and a factor of 5. And well, a factor of 25, right? Or be a multiple. I'm using my vocabulary poorly, I'm sorry. And to be a factor of 3, I need to add 3 numbers together and they equal 3. And we're looking for the least positive. So that means a lot of ones. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So I know that 111 is not divisible by 25. So what about this? 1,110, not divisible by 25. Definitely not divisible by 25. So let's add another 0. 11,100, that is divisible by 25, because 100 is divisible by 25, and I know it's divisible by 3. I'm done. That's the only thing I can think of, but it's pretty quick that way. It's kind of a logic problem. But it gives me lots of time to look at this problem. Yeah. All points that are equidistant from 2, 2 and 9, 3 lie on a line with the equation ax plus by is equal to c, where the positive integers a, b, and c have no common factors greater than 1. What is the value of a plus b plus c? Yeah. I like this one. So I'm making a little grid here, and we're going to say that 2, 2 is about here. And 9, 3, let's say, is here. And so there is a line that goes right through here that is equidistant from each point and going to be perpendicular to the line that connects these 2 points. So I need 2 things to find my equation. I need to find this point here that is directly equidistant between both points, and I need to find the slope of my line that connects those 2 points. So let's find the slope. That's the easiest thing. So I have a rise of 1, because 2 plus 1 is 3, and I have a run of 7. So the slope of my connecting line is 1/7, and my perpendicular line will have the opposite reciprocal slope. So right now, the line of this is going to be -7, because that's the opposite reciprocal. The reciprocal of 1/7 is 7. The opposite means it's going to be negative. And now, to find the equation, I need a point on the line, and I know that point is going to be equidistant between these 2 points. So what number is halfway in between 2 and 3? That's right, it's 2.5. So I have this point, 2.5, and then what is halfway in between 9 and 2? Well, 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 divided by 2 is going to be 3.5. So 5 plus 3.5 is 5.5. And so let's plug it into our good old y equals mx plus b equation. So we have 2.5 is equal to -7 times 5.5 plus b. And so, no shame. Of course I get rid of the calculator. Brilliant. So no shame in using the calculator. So we have 7 times 5.5. So we get 2.5 is equal to -38.5 plus b. So I'm going to add this 38.5 to both sides. So I get 41 is equal to b, which means y is equal to -7x plus 41, and we want the equation in standard form. So let's add 7 to both sides, 7x to both sides. So I get 7x plus y is equal to 41. So that means A is 7, B is 1, C is 41, for a grand total of 49. Under 6 minutes.